Hi children, how are you all? Hope you are all safe and happy. Today we will see some of the endogenic movements. What are volcanoes? A volcano is a vent or an opening in the earth's crust through which hot magma erupts from deep below the surface. How does this cause mass destruction, children? When lava flows out from the volcano, it causes many destruction and loss of property, people, vegetation, etc. Luckily in India, we don't have active volcanoes. The molten rock material stored in the mantle rises up and travels up through the main vent, creating pressure. Can you see the pressure evolved over there? When the pressure can't be controlled inside the mantle, it erupts up outside, causing lava to flow out, breaking open the mountain. Can you see the volcano? This is the lava. Now let us do a simple experiment. Bring a Coca-Cola bottle. Shake it. Open it carefully. Oh, it's like a volcano. Now, children, can you see? The same applies in a volcano also. Now, let's try with a balloon. Keep it under the sunlight. The air inside the balloon gets hotter, and due to this, the molecules run away from each other. This builds pressure in the outer layer. This outer layer is like the crust of the earth, and the inside gas breaks with the pressure. This is the theory behind volcanic eruption. Hope you understood this. The molten rock material inside the earth is called magma. And when it comes out, it is called the lava. When it cools down, it forms rocks. In course of time, it flows out and forms a vent like a conical hill on the mouth of a volcano. The top of the volcano has a funnel-shaped depression called crater. If the crater is of a great size and is shaped like a basin, it is called a caldera. Calderas are caused in bigger volcanic mountains. Children, do you know what is the study of volcanoes called? The scientific study of volcanoes are called volcanology. People who study about volcanoes are called volcanologists. Sometimes magma rises slowly to the surface and spreads over a vast area. This is called fissure eruption. If magma rises quickly to the surface, lava is thrown high into the atmosphere. So, along with lava, ash, steam, gases, pieces of rocks are thrown out. This is called explosive eruption. Lava flow depends upon viscosity. Example, honey has high viscosity, so it flows slowly, whereas water has low viscosity, so it flows easily. Here in lava, like honey, silica is present. The viscosity of lava depends on amount of silica and water in magma. Highly viscosity lava is rich in silica and has little water. Low viscosity lava. Types of volcanoes. Active volcano. In this, eruptions can be anytime and often. Dormant volcanoes. It is an active volcano that is not erupting but supposed to erupt again. Extinct volcano. It means it hasn't erupted in a very long time, so it probably can't erupt again. So next one, types of volcanoes. Shield volcano. A shield volcano is formed by quiet eruption of lava with a low silica content. Such a volcano has a wild base and a cone with gentle slopes. Volcanoes of the Hawaii Islands are of this type. Composite volcano. Composite volcanoes are made of alternate layers of lava, cinder, and ash. They are also called stratovolcano. St. Helens is an example of composite volcano. Cinder cone volcano. Silica-rich magma traps gases inside the volcano until enough pressure is built to push the magma out of the Earth's crust. When this type of volcano erupts, it shoots gases, ash, etc. with great force, throwing them several kilometers. About 1,500 volcanoes can be found over the world. They are found along the tectonic plates and more in faulted regions. They are also vulnerable to earthquakes. The circumbelt, which includes the Pacific Ring of Fire, the mid-continental belt, which includes the Alpine Mountains, Mediterranean Sea, East Africa, mid-Atlantic belt, the divergent boundaries, mid-Atlantic ridges. They are all fissured eruption type of volcanoes, especially in Iceland. Now let us do some evaluation. Hope you enjoyed the class. Thanks for watching.